You ready to go? All right. Okay, so we just checked into the Hyatt Regency Irvine, which used to be Hotel Irvine. It underwent this $50 million renovation, and yeah, they have over like 500 rooms now. So we're here to check out to see what $50 million will get you. But we didn't pay for it. You know what I mean? We're here to check it out.
This game is good. You like it?
So we're about to go get something to eat. I saw all these different reception rooms and things, and I was like, oh, they cooking some food. It smells seafood. I might go in there and fix a plate, but I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna head to Chick-fil-A because that's my cheat meal for the week. Down to breakfast, and after that we're gonna head out to Balboa Park. Yeah, getting a late start, so
You would have told them what?
walking around, just giving me Cape Cod vibes. I'm digging it. I really like it, but I'm serious about the real estate out here. It'd be really nice. Really nice out here. Yeah. Scope for houses. Frozen cheesecake, frozen banana. Miss Journey, what do you want? Banana? Banana? Okay. Look at that, Miss Journey.
Which one are you trying to push?
Get that chair over there. There's no one over there.
good? Yeah. Doing her little happy dance.
What do you think, Journey?
Mm-hmm.
How would you rate it? Have you tried DD Reese yet?
Mm-mm.
Okay, so then we got to do a video. If you want us to try DD Reese, leave a comment below if you want us to try DD Reese.
Hey! Yo, I'm serious. I would hit the lottery. I'd buy a house out here. It'd be
Get David.
it'd be investment property.
So would you get David? Was the $1 million?
Bromstead.
Yeah.
Ah,
Nah, I don't.
no, because I don't want to be on the show. I want to keep it anonymous. But however we said it on here, now if I just end up saying, "Oh, we bought a house," and it's Balboa Island, then you know that was the only way we were able to be able to do it. But look at that. Ooh. And we turned into investment property. This house is nice. Yeah, Gary would like that, wouldn't he? He would like that. Gary is the dog. Oh yes, very nice. Like this place is for rent. It's nice. Sure would do it. Journey, what? You talking to the front desk? Get off. Get off. Hang up. Hang up the phone. Oh Lord. Bye bye. Bye bye.